one of the best traders ever, Richard Dennis, a famed commodity trader, who were the founder of the trading group called the Turtle Traders. And he said, and I quote, "We could post our trading rules on the front page of the Wall Street Journal, and still people would not be able to make money from them. But based on the experiences of a guy who spent every single day from 7 a.m. until 9 p.m., 12, 14 hours every single trading day for a decade, watching your mistakes. You managed to go broke over and over because you're always snapping at the profit, because you didn't understand fear. You didn't understand what was going on in your minds. And I'm not belittling you, and now I am not talking down to you. I am genuinely trying to make you see trading from a very different perspective than you perhaps have addressed it from before."
Tom is right. The rules are public, but the discipline is private. Most of you are hunting for a secret indicator because you are afraid of the charts. You see a small profit and you snap at it like a hungry bird, afraid it will disappear. But when you see a loss, or you sit and hope, letting it eat your entire account. This is why the eagle trader is different. An eagle doesn't fly in a panic. It sits. It watches. It understands that the market isn't trying to steal your money. Your own mind is. If you want to stop going broke over and over, you have to stop looking at the candles and start looking at your own reflection. Are you trading out of greed? Or are you trading a system? Wealth isn't found in a magic strategy. It is found in the 14 hours of watching, the months of backtesting, and the courage to hold your winners while others are running away in fear. The Wall Street Journal can print the rules, but only you can build the discipline